Is college tuition hitting hard this summer? Forget about flipping burgers or endless tutoring gigs. What if you could actually pay your tuition by just snapping pictures of your feet? No joke. Let me show you the easiest and surprisingly the most profitable side hustle for college students in 2025. Let's get real. Tuition is due soon and you're probably stressing about how to cover it. Every year, students rush online around July and August searching for last-minute ways to make money for college. You know what's trending big time this year is selling feet pics. Yup, FeetFinder.com is booming with students turning their pedicures into profits. Why FeetFinder specifically? It's flexible, safe, totally anonymous, and lets you control your income. Unlike traditional jobs or other side hustles, this one fits around your schedule. No shifts, no bosses, and definitely no uniforms. Just your feet, a camera, and your own creativity. Now let's talk TikTok because that's where trends are born, especially around back to school season. Every July and August, tags like hashtag college life, hashtag side hustle, and hashtag back to school start blowing up. If you're looking to quickly drive traffic to your FeetFinder page, sharing funny or relatable videos about your feet pic side hustle could go viral instantly. Post teasers, day in the life clips, or even comedic takes on how you're paying tuition and let TikTok's algorithm do the rest. But let's talk real money. Newcomers to FeetFinder can make anywhere between $100 to $500 a month casually. With a bit more effort, students are reporting making enough to cover books, groceries, and even part of their tuition. It's easy money without extra stress. Ready to try it out? Here are quick tips for beginners to maximize earnings. 1. Quality content. Clear photos, good lighting, and appealing angles. 2. Consistency. Post regularly to stay visible. 3. Engagement. Respond to requests promptly and offer bundles and custom content. So if tuition's giving you nightmares, maybe it's time to think creatively. FeetFinder isn't just a meme, it's a real profitable side hustle that's helping students across the US make ends meet. Curious? Head over to FeetFinder.com and start today. Don't forget to like this video, comment below if you would try this side hustle, and subscribe for more easy ways to boost your income while in college.